Welcome. First, I got to ask, what is Binance's exposure, if any, to these crypto lenders that are collapsing? Have you, as an individual, has Binance as a company lent to, taken loans from, made investments in institutions you're concerned about?
So very minimal. Thanks for having me on the show. And very minimal. We're not involved in any of the names that are public. I won't name them, but we don't have any loans to them. We don't owe them any money. So we have not been involved in that. There are, our name just never came up in any of those in any of those situations.
And why not? Are you lucky or are you smart? Did you see that these companies, these institutions in the crypto ecosystem were building this kind of house of cards that was subject to collapsing if crypto prices were to tank?
I think it's because we're dumb. We like to do things in very simple ways, or at least I like to do things in very simple ways. If we invest in a business, we give that company money, and we don't take a loan out of that business again. So we don't have circular loan. Like, I like to keep businesses in very simple terms. We run an exchange, and we should run the exchange. We're not in the loans business. We're not in those other businesses. So we keep things very simple. So I wouldn't say we're smart. We're just very simple about it.
Well, CZ, I have to ask, though, it's obviously a good thing that you're not involved in any of these issues, but just from a reputational perspective, from a trust perspective, do you think all of these negative headlines are going to impact your consumers and make them just wary of being in the crypto space in general?
I think all those negative headlines definitely do have a negative impact. But guess what? This industry has always had negative headlines. We've not seen too many positive headlines about this industry. And guess what? This industry still grown because of the fundamentals. So yeah, they do have a negative impact. But overall, well, I think the industry will be fine.
I thought it was interesting to see that you're launching a new social media marketing campaign and maybe trying to take this downturn in crypto prices as an opportunity. What's your strategy now to really differentiate what you're doing from some of these other players that have been plagued with so many issues?
Yeah, so I think many players have not managed their cash reserves well, and for many of the players, this may be their first bear market. We have gone through a couple of this already, so we have managed our cash well, and now we have cash reserves that allow us to do more hiring, do more investments in strong companies that's still going today, and also helping some of the companies that are cash strapped if they're good companies. And we're able to lower fees. We're able to launch affiliate marketing, affiliate referral programs. So we can do all of that now, and we actually see a lot more opportunity today than a year ago.